Hello everyone, today I'm just gonna show how to make a 5-minute face mask. What's going on lately, you need to go wear a face mask when you go outside and when you do grocery shopping. And this one is a quick one because I'm not just gonna use the sewing machine. Maybe next time or next vlog I'm gonna use it, but for today I'm not gonna use it. So I'll just cut the fabric. To have is a glue gun, the glue, and the pens and the fabric. And that's it. I hope this will help you guys to make your own face mask. And it's pretty easy. All you need to have is a glue gun, the glue, and the pens, and the fabric. This is just to show you how to make it. This is not professionally made, but this is like a DIY stuff on how to make one. So I hope you guys have an idea on how to make this one, and thank you for watching, and hope you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.